Most people get this wrong. They install random reward apps expecting fast Amazon gift cards, and then they waste hours earning almost nothing. The truth is, only a few apps consistently pay real Amazon gift cards, and knowing which ones actually work in 2026 changes everything. In this video, you'll learn the best apps to earn Amazon gift cards in 2026, how they actually pay you, and how to avoid fake or low-value apps that drain your time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to focus so you can start earning rewards faster and more consistently. Let's start with the simplest one, Swagbucks. This app pays you for watching videos, answering surveys, and doing small online tasks. It works because companies pay for user engagement, and Swagbucks shares part of that with you as points. You can convert those points into Amazon gift cards. But here's the problem most beginners face. They jump into high-paying surveys too fast and get disqualified repeatedly. The smarter move is to start with short tasks like daily check-ins and easy offers first. Now here's where it gets interesting. Apps like Inbox Dollars work in a similar way, but they focus more on reading emails and simple games. A user, like Jake from Texas, might earn small daily rewards just by opening emails and trying new apps. It won't make you rich, but it's consistent if you stay active. The key is consistency, not chasing big payouts. Next up is Mistplay for Android users. This one is different because it focuses on gaming. You download featured games, play them, and earn points based on your activity time. Then you convert those points into Amazon gift cards. But here's the catch. You only earn well if you actually enjoy playing the games. If you force it, the rewards feel slow. So think of it as casual gaming with bonuses, not a job. Now let's talk about feature points. This app pays you for downloading apps and testing them for a short time. It sounds easy, but the trick is choosing high reward offers inside the app. Many users miss this and stick to low-paying tasks, then complain about earnings. In a minute, here's the most important thing you need to understand. None of these apps will replace a full-time income. They are designed for small rewards like Amazon gift cards, not salary-level money. The real strategy is combining 2 or 3 apps and using them daily for 10 to 20 minutes. Finally, apps like Google Opinion Rewards also help, especially for quick surveys. They pay less frequently, but they are simple and trusted. So here are the key takeaways. Stick to trusted apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Mistplay, Feature Points, and Google Opinion Rewards. Focus on consistency. Avoid scam apps promising unrealistic payouts. And always treat these apps as side rewards, not income sources. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which app you're going to try first, and subscribe for more real earning guides that actually work in 2026.